Navigating the UBJ platform, your front-end tour. First, you need to learn the step-by-step process and understand how our system works. We also have shortcuts that you can become familiar with over time. Today, we want to give you a tour of the front end of the platform, our main page. This main page contains a lot of important information for you. Let's start scrolling down. At the very top, you'll see pages that direct you to learn more about our learning, earning, and connecting departments. Once you click Learn More, it will provide detailed information about that specific department. After that, you'll find courses on display. If you click View More, it will direct you to all the courses available on the platform. As you continue to scroll down, you'll see our application form, where individuals can apply to become a member. Further down, you will see 3 blocks that provide information about us, along with a section explaining why choose us. There's also a button for those looking to grow their business to click on. Way down, you'll find our blog posts. Here, you can read articles and even share them on social media, especially when completing tasks. The page ends with our testimonials and an option to subscribe to our email list. This concludes our tour of the front end. In the next session, we can learn about the 2 different profile types available within our platform.